Thank you. Innovation is the key word at Intertraffic Amsterdam 2016. 27,000 people from 128 countries, here to see the latest trends and developments in traffic management, infrastructure and parking. Welcome to the show. It's 2 years since the last show, and at Intertraffic 2016, we can clearly see an evolution from mobility products to mobility solutions. Richard Butter tells us more.
It's the biggest show ever until now. It's the biggest show within this industry. But you see a very good movement from our traditional segments to the smart mobility thing. We have a big innovation hall 9, with a smart mobility center and innovation lab. And there you will see the future of mobility and the future of Intertraffic. We see more exhibitors here. The pre-registration show that we can expect 5% raise in visitors. So that's great, and I'm very happy.
Bringing into sharp focus the very latest in camera wizardry is Redflex traffic systems.
So this piece of kit is Halo. That's what we call it. It's our latest generation of photo enforcement systems. Essentially all of our photo enforcement options in one box. From red light, speed, yellow box, tailgating, wrong way, everything we can detect comes from this box. Single pole, single solution. It encapsulates all of our learnings over the last 20-25 years. Single pole makes it cheaper to install and run, and the cost of ownership's lower and easier to maintain on a daily basis. It's universal. There's variants for different markets. You know, obviously this is quite a reasonable size unit. We've got variants which are a lot smaller. It's auto configuration largely. There's a couple of mechanical stops in there to line up the frame, but apart from that, it configures itself. This is its first day out in the open. We've got a lot of good feedback. They love it.
The winner of the Intertraffic 2016 Innovation Award in the Smart Mobility category is Crosslin with their groundbreaking InVipo platform.
Crosslin with InVipo.
Congratulations!
What helped us to win was definitely the approach, because the platform is lightweight and we try to make software which is easy to control, easy to install, and easy to understand from the point of view of end users. It's an integration platform. It's something like a middleware between on-field technology and the end users. So in general, it's quite easy. We can integrate nearly everything which is running in the city. It can be a technology, it can be a services, whatever. And then somehow transfer the data back to the city to improve the life in the city.
Swarco, the global player in road safety and traffic management, has extended its showroom at the headquarters in Austria. Visitors of the Swarco Traffic World now also gain deeper insights into reflective glass beads and road marking systems, reports a corporate spokesman.
Another example of innovative traffic management is on the AGD stand.
We've enhanced one of the premier products that we've got, the AGD 350. Its application really is specific in multi-lane vehicle monitoring, and the key feature of this radar is that the customer is able to monitor multiple vehicles by setting a number of trigger points, and we can simultaneously monitor up to 32 vehicles. So what that gives them is the capability to make some decisions on what's happening on the road environment in front of them and make the traffic move much more efficiently. The key thing we do is to learn from the customers through trial deployments, and it's that continuous feedback from the customer base that allows us to enhance the radar platforms more and more year on year.
Taking smart urban mobility to another level is Swarco with their Omnia City Dashboard.
So the main thought behind this new technology that we have developed is that the city manager wants to have a knowledge of the performance of his city at any time, and also to evaluate the return of the investment that he has done in a certain system. So we provide a tool which enables the city manager to have a look at key performance indicators and at the quality service of the infrastructure he has acquired and he's using to manage the traffic in his city. So we have provided all the flexibility to use the data they already collect in order to provide these key performance indicators. They will decide together with us how to implement these indicators and what kind of advantages and benefit they are expecting. At the moment we are testing it with 8 cities around the world, and we are hoping to roll it out this year with more customers and new customers especially.
Confidence and optimism in the sector is clearly demonstrated by Capsch and their recent acquisition of Schneider Electric's transportation business.
Well, we made an acquisition which contributes a lot to our transition from a purely ETC, electronic toll collection company, to an intelligent mobility solutions company, and that's the way we want to go. The acquisition of Telvent from Schneider is a real break in this strategy. We believe in the electronic toll collection market, in the traffic management market, and in the intelligent mobility and systems market. Because these are growing markets, the technology is changing permanently, but we are always at the edge of technology, so we are keen to follow the market. Traffic and parking will be a very interesting market in the future.
So the end of a busy and successful day one at Intertraffic 2016. My taxi has arrived. Time for me to head off and prepare for an even busier day two.